Mr. Sunshine. This Korean drama follows Eugene Choi, a U.S. Marine of Korean descent who returns to Korea during the late 80s. Amid political turmoil, he falls in love with a noble woman and fights for justice. Mr. Sunshine explores moral and philosophical themes like hope, despair, and happiness in challenging times. The series highlights the importance of relationships, moral choices, and the impact of external factors on one's peace, highlighting the value of hope in meaningful connections. This series is all about the culture of Koreans where their people work as slaves and they are treated as trash. This series explores themes of love, honor, and resistance in the face of overwhelming oppression. It goes beyond personal connections, revealing Korea's fight for independence. The show teaches us the importance of defending our nation against foreign powers, urging us to fight for our home.